So guys, this is how we process cassava, that fufu wey we dey chop. So this is cassava. First of all, we have to soak it in water for 3 days. Then after, you now remove the back. You can see it's very smooth. After removing the back, you have to pound. No. That phone at the chop. Carry camera up. Small. That phone at the pan, the chop. Some people will pound it finish like this, and they will now mold it. I just can do what's our video they call ourselves? Fufu. Japa. Another form of fufu. That one, na delicious one.
So
this is the one that my star I've already seen. After they will put it inside sack. So time to sieve. This thing will turn into fufu that we eat every day. When you put it inside sack, it will be very strong. Come here, put it here for that. Now they see her. Wife material. 100 years. Remember to soak the cassava. Soak it for 3 days. Then remove the back. Because of long recording. It's a long recording. So after sieving it this way, you have to bring a bag, rice bag or beans bag. Then you pour this water inside it, then put a heavy something. It will dry like Garri. It will just dry. So your own is just to be bringing it and use it and do fufu. If you from high and like this. Mama.
Obina have grown up. How many years is Obina?
5. It's 5 years.
Jeez.
2 years.
2 years. Before you had 2 years. Before you had 2 years, oh.
2 years, I don't go. Ingredients, I'm not necessarily good.
I should cut.
Mommy. Let me see this one. Ingredients are necessary. Oh my. Mon nan get se no mother Simon. Okay. Yes.
Hey, wait a minute.
So that's how you be doing it. Be doing it until you finish your fufu where you done. Tunaza. How many minutes? Cut.
56, 56,
Cut.
57.